How to stop background data consumption in laptop. Hi everyone, it's Sophia to assist you today. Without any delay, let's jump right in. First, open Settings and then click on Privacy. After clicking on Privacy, you'll find this kind of screen pop up. On left side, you will find Apps or Backgrounds. Click on Background Apps. You'll find this kind of screen pop up. In here, scroll till you turn off the apps you don't use anymore. Simply turn off those apps that you don't want to use in background and which is consuming your data. After you're done, simply go back and go to Settings, then go to Update and Security. After that, you will find this kind of screen pop up. In Update and Security, go to Windows Update. In here, scroll all the way down to Advanced Options. Make sure Update Options, all three of them is turned off. Then you're good to go. That's how to stop background data consumption in laptop. Thank you for joining me today. If this video helps you out, please leave a like and subscribe for more. Got a question or want to suggest a topic? Comment below. I am Sophia signing off. Until next time.